everybody, this is Tisha Barber here. I'm with
icyfluffycat, and I do Minecraft, Animal Jam, and not much Littlest Pet Shop things.
So we're here today. I'm going to give a quick thought on two things. We're right now going to see how this screencast-o-matic works. It's what I'm recording my video on. So far with other recording devices, I've had to do it over like a million times and it ends up the audio does not work. So we are going to see if this gets posted and you can't hear me. Obviously the audio's not working. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Any comments, please leave them below, and also please check out icyfluffycat's channel. Hope to have the description or her link below. Thanks.